Welcome students. So in this video, we'll be dealing with percentage bar diagram. Okay. So let me share the Jamboard. So now what is percentage bar diagram? So percentages bars are drawn to represent items whose magnitudes have two or more components. And when a comparison of these components as percentages is required. Okay. And the totals are represented by bars of equal width and height equal to 100 each. So we will be dividing. So it's the same like component bar diagram. But one difference is there. Out of 100, we will be dividing it into different components. Okay. So now let us see one example and we will do one. Then you will better understand. Okay. So following table gives the details of monthly expenditure of a family. So represent by percentage bar diagram, it's given. Okay. Items are given here in the question and family expenditure. Expenditure of a family is also given. All right. So 2000 for food, it is 2000 given, clothing, rent, fuel and others. Now how to do this percentage bar diagram? Okay. So what we have to do here is by the name itself, percentage out of 100 something, right? So now what we have to do here is we have to find out in terms of percentages. Okay, this expenditure of the family, okay, in percentages we are going to find out. Okay, so we can write in percentage. In percentage we will be finding out in percentage. So now how to find out in terms of percentage? So now add all this. So check what you are getting. Okay, when we add all this, it comes to 5,000. Okay, adding this plus this comes to 5,000. Add all this and write down. Okay, total. And then percentage we want to find out. So how to find out percentage, students? Percentage means whatever here for food, 2,000 divided by this total 5,000 into 100. Okay. Getting? So once I'll write here and show you. So for the first one, 2000 divided by this total. This total, what is this total? Sum of all this. Sum. So by 5000, okay, into 100 we will do. So we will get that too. So when we cancel this, this and this will go, it comes to 400, right? So 400. So we will be writing that, 40. One more zero will go and that is come to 40. Okay, 40. Getting? So 40 percentage. In terms of percentage, we are doing it. All right. So this is how we are doing. Okay. So let me put on a space here. Okay. So we will write 40. 40 here. Okay. Now coming here, how to do this? 1000. Same way, so 1000 divided by this total 5000. 5000 into what? 100. Okay, so this and this will get cancelled. Now 5 will become 20. So just 20. All right, this is the way we have to find out. Okay, so we have written 20 over there. So this is in terms of percentages. This is how we will be finding out in terms of percentages. Is that clear till there how to find the percentages? So whatever we have, that divided by the total into 100 will give you the percentage. That's it. Okay. So now coming here the same way, 800 divided by this total 5000 into 100 will give you that corresponding percentages with percentage which comes to 16. Okay, same way 400 divided by this into 100 will give you 8. And 800 divided by this into 100 will give you 16. Okay, if you add all this, it should come up to 100. Otherwise, you may have gone wrong somewhere. If you add all this, you will get 100 in percentages. So first step for a percentage bar diagram, by the name itself, you will understand that it's out of 100. So what we have to do is we have to get in terms of percentages. How to get in terms of percentages? This divided by correspond that overall total into 100 will give you the percentages. Fine. Now, the next step is what we have to find is cumulative percentage we will find. Okay, cumulative percentages in the next column. Okay, so how to find the cumulative percentage? The first number will be the same, 40. Next will be 40 plus 20. What is 40 plus 20? 60. Next is 60 plus the 16. Okay, what it is? 76. 76 plus 8, that is nothing but 84. 84 plus 16 comes to 100. Okay, so we got this cumulative percentage. So in a percentage bar diagram, what and all we have to find out? Percentages we have to find out for each. And then cumulative percentage also we got here. Cumulative percentages, how to write? The first one will be the same and remaining adding, we have got all this. Okay, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 16, 76. 76 plus 8 is 84 and 84 plus 16, 100. That's it. Okay, now we will go with the diagram, percentage bar diagram. All right, now by doing the diagram, what and all you will be asking me, what and all we have to take for the diagram. Okay, we will be taking this last column, cumulative percentage, whatever we got, that we will be taking. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it. So we will be doing with the percentage bar diagram. All right, so now we will be drawing first X and Y axis. Diagram should be drawn, right? Okay, so diagram, okay, X and Y. And now we have, what is in X axis? Okay, we have, see here, family items are given. Okay, so we will be writing family expenditure. So we'll be writing family here. All right, and then what we have to do there, here on Y axis in terms of percentages, so out of 100, so 0, 10, 20 up to 100. Okay, 20, 30, 40 up to 100 we need. It's in percentage bar diagram. So we need 100, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. So we'll somehow make it. Okay, 1 second. So here we can make that 100 on the top. All right. So now 80, 90, and then here, and then we will do it here. Okay, so 100 will be on the top somewhere here. It's 100. 100. Okay, now we will draw the percentage bar diagram. Okay, percentage bar diagram we can draw. Okay, so till 100 it is there. Now how to go with the diagram? All right, so now how will we do the diagram? Okay, so now, yes, okay, now what we have, students, just check here what and all we have. Food. For food it is where we have to see. So in cumulative percentages you have to check. Okay, so this one, it should be plotted. So food we have 40. So we are going to draw a diagram. What type of diagram? Percentage bar diagram. So 40, where 40 is coming, 40 is here. So where for our family, okay, draw for food. Food it is given 40. So draw one rectangular bar. That's it. Now coming to the next, 60. So this one, don't forget, don't take this, take this. Okay, then next is 60. So where now 60? So first one was food. Next is clothing. Clothing is 60. So just above the top here, right? 60. So just above the top, we will be drawing a bar. Okay, just above the top of it. So we'll continue with the bar over there. 60. Okay, like this. Now coming to the next number, what was our next number? 76, then 84, 100. Okay, so next will be 76. 76 will be somewhere here. So 76. Okay, so just above the top, we'll be drawing the bar. In one bar will be divided into different components. That's it here also. And then 84 and then 100. Okay, so 84 is somewhere on the top here. 84. Okay, so 84 is here, and then finally 100. So 100 is on the top. So 100 we will draw on the top like this. Okay, so we have drawn. So this is the percentage bar diagram. Now what we have to show students, it is divided into different things, right? Food, one is food, another is clothing, another is rent, all those. So we have to give different color or shading, whichever we want, we can give. All right. So now, so for food, we will give one shading or color. Okay, whichever you want, you can give. Food, we have given this. Okay, and then for clothing, the next one we have given this. And then which is the next one, students? Food, clothing, rent, fuel, others. Okay, so rent we can give like this. So give different color or shading in order to differentiate. That's it. Okay, and then we are giving this. Okay, now after this is called as a percentage bar diagram. Out of 100, we are dividing it into different components. Out of 100, we are dividing it into different components, students, components. Okay, these are called the components. Now, after that, we have to show that in index. Okay, which represents which. So here we have given this shade, this, no, this is our shading. So this represents food. That index should be shown there. Shown in the diagram. So then the next is, what is this one? This is food, clothing, right? All this we have to show once. Okay, then this represents what? After food, clothing, this represents fuel, right? So we'll check and write food, clothing, rent, fuel, and others. So this is rent. So rent is this, so we have to show that. And then fuel is this. Okay, and then others, and this represent, this is others. Okay, so we have to show that in index. Don't forget to show that. All right, so now after that, what we have to write here, a title also should be written. Title, what is our title, students? Title should be written. Okay, it should be written on the top. Okay, here, since I don't have space here, I'll be writing here. Okay, actually it should be written on the top. What type of diagram it is? So we will be writing, you have to write on the top, percentage bar diagram. Okay, it's percentage. So you will be writing percentage bar diagram. Okay, not percentage bar diagram, representing the expenditure or showing the expenditure of a family. So you have to write that here, percentage bar diagram representing. See the question and write the title. Percentage bar diagram representing the expenditure of a family. That's it. Okay, and then x-axis and y-axis should also be shown. That's x-axis. So here x-axis, nothing should be given. It's family. Y-axis you can show. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units, right? 1 centimeter. So if you are taking 10, please write 10. If you have taken 20 units or something, then please write 20. It depends. Okay, if you have taken 30 units, then write 30. That's it. Since I had taken 10 here, I had written 10 there. Okay, so the title should be written. So percentage bar diagram, you have write a title on the top. So since I don't have space here, I have written here. You please write on the top. Percentage bar diagram representing what? Expenditure of a family, or showing the expenditure of the family. That's it. And then you have to show the index, whatever shading or color, whatever you have given. No, you just show that in index. And then y-axis should be shown. All right, so this is your percentage bar diagram. So it's also a component bar diagram or subdivided bar diagram. What is the difference between the two, students? In component bar diagram also we were doing like the same, right? It is divided into different components. Here also it is divided into different components. But what is the basic differences? In percentage bar diagram, this is out of 100. Okay, out of 100, we are dividing it into different components. That's it. Okay, so now in the next video, we will be doing with the other diagrams. Okay, and even graphs also. Thank you.